Okay, so hi guys, welcome and welcome back to yet another lovely recipe video. Today we will be learning how to make a lovely, decadent, flavor-packed, spicy vanilla sponge cake. Yes, and one other thing is that I lifted this up by adding a lovely Oreo cookies base to this cupcake, and that is just a banger. I'm very sure you're going to love this recipe. So into a very large bowl, I added in 1 egg. I whisked that until it starts to foam. It is very important. And then I used a combination of light brown sugar and also granulated sugar to give the cake more lift and more decadent taste. And again, I added in the flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice and also vegetable oil. You can use canola oil. Just make sure it is flavorless. For the spice, which is the main part of this recipe, I used dry grounded pepper flakes. Make sure it is dry. Then I mix that into, for the flour, I used flour and baking powder. And also at this point, I'm just combining all the things together, the base, the milk, and also the flour. Add in the flour first, then add in the milk afterwards, just to seal up the cake batter. And voila, guys, that is your cake batter ready. Now, for the cupcake base, which is literally and so much optional, you just have to crush down the Oreo cookies and add in either melted butter or oil, and then you portion it half tablespoon into every single case, and you press down using a rolling pin as I did. Then now portion out the cake batter into the cupcake cases, about 3/4 full, and you need to bake. Guys, this is a lovely, perfect, spicy, decadent, flavor packed spicy vanilla sponge cake. You can see it has so much flavor. It's bringing out this tanginess, and I could literally not stop at once. In case you're new here, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video.